We begin our journey in the realm of nature. Sharks, those fearsome predators of the deep, have been around longer than trees. That's right, sharks have been swimming the oceans for over 400 million years, while trees only sprouted up around 350 million years ago. Speaking of trees, did you know that a single tree can produce roughly 260 pounds of oxygen each year? That's enough for 2 people to breathe for a year. Let's move to the skies. A bolt of lightning is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. It can reach a whopping 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit, but not all heat is harmful. The human body, for instance, produces enough heat in 30 minutes to boil a half-gallon of water. In the world of the microscopic, a single human being hosts more bacteria than there are people on Earth. Turning our attention to the cosmos, did you know that a day on Venus is longer than a year on the same planet? Venus rotates so slowly on its axis that it completes its orbit around the Sun before it has a chance to fully rotate once. On the topic of space, if 2 pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will permanently bond. This phenomenon, known as cold welding, doesn't occur on Earth due to the oxygen in our atmosphere. Back to Earth, in the animal kingdom, an elephant is the only mammal that can't jump. Their enormous weight and relatively short legs make jumping an impossibility. Speaking of elephants, their pregnancy lasts an astonishing 22 months, making it the longest gestation period of any land animal. In the colorful world of Flora, the smell of freshly cut grass is a distress signal. The scent is a chemical compound released by the grass to signal danger to nearby plants. Did you know that the Eiffel Tower can be up to 15 centimeters taller during the summer? This is due to the expansion of the iron due to heat. In the realm of human achievements, Oxford University existed for hundreds of years before the Aztec Empire was even established. Speaking of education, did you know that the total weight of all the ants on Earth is about the same as the total weight of all the humans? In the world of the bizarre, octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the 3rd pumps it to the rest of the body. Did you know that the average person will spend 6 months of their life waiting for red lights to turn green? Speaking of time, a jiffy is an actual unit of time. It's the time it takes for light to travel 1 centimeter in a vacuum, which is approximately 33.354 picoseconds. In the world of gastronomy, honey is the only food that doesn't spoil. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. 18. Speaking of food, bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Did you know that the tongue is the strongest muscle in the human body relative to its size? Lastly, in the realm of the unusual, a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. In this whirlwind tour of the strange and surprising, we've learned that an elephant can't jump, that the smell of fresh grass is actually a distress signal, and that a day on Venus is longer than a year. These are just a few of the many fascinating, lesser-known facts that make our world such a wonderfully weird place. So, until next time, stay curious, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the unknown. And remember, you never know how much you never know of what you never knew.